Domains of artificial intelligence.
The three domains of AI explain how it carries out complex tasks and what its capabilities are. Let us discuss each of these and then interpret them together. Data. The starting point of every application is data, and it is the foundation of artificial intelligence. Data is all around us, be it a Google search, a passport scan, or an online shopping history. All of this contains data that is collected, analyzed, and monetized. Data is not just collected, but also properly formatted and aligned with the project requirements. Examples of AI applications based on data. Weather prediction models using AI need data such as temperature, humidity, and all underlying patterns that impact weather. AI is used in the prediction of upcoming customer orders for the next season. This enables retailers to plan the inventory and purchases, which helps them to predict and control the cost. The software that controls vehicles work with the control radar system, lane control feature, accident avoidance features, cameras, GPS, etc. All these technologies are AI-based and rely on data to function. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon are ruling the world because they were the first to build datasets. Amazon already knows what the customers are going to buy, and all of this has been possible because of predictive analytics and tons of customers' data. Computer vision. Computer vision is a subset of AI that helps machines to see and extract meaning from pixels in an image. It is a field of AI that enables computers to see, identify, and process images to drive meaningful information from those images, videos, and other visual inputs. Computer vision is important and linked to AI, as AI-enabled systems must interpret what it sees just like human vision and act accordingly. The goal of computer vision is to train machines to see, process, and provide useful results based on its observations within a very short time. This can only be possible if lots of data is provided to it, which can be analyzed over and over until it detects distinctions and ultimately recognizes images. For example, to train a machine to recognize tires, it needs to study a lot of images of tires and items related to it to learn to differentiate and recognize a tire without fail. Human Vision System. Eye, sensing device responsible for capturing image of the environment. Brain, interpreting device responsible for understanding the image content. Bowl, oranges, bananas, lemons, peaches. Computer Vision System. Input, sensing device, interpreting device, output. Bowl, oranges, bananas, lemons, peaches. How does computer vision work? The two technologies required to accomplish this are machine learning, deep learning, convolutional neural network, CNN. Machine learning enables a computer to understand the context of visual data by using algorithmic models. To achieve this, enough data needs to be fed through the model so that the computer can teach itself to recognize images. Convolutional neural network, CNN, helps a machine learning model to process the image by breaking it down into pixels. It then transforms it into digital data by applying algorithms before comparing the captured images with those stored in the database. These systems are used to identify an individual based on their facial features like spacing of eyes, ears, chin, etc. Examples of AI applications based on computer vision. Face recognition systems used at workplace and schools to mark attendance. Biometric software used by law enforcement agencies to scan faces in CCTV footages. Image-enabled searches at online shopping websites using your camera. Selfie-based authentication for banking and payments app using face recognition technology. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is the ability of an AI system to understand human language as it is spoken. Computer cannot understand the language we speak. Hence, we need software and programming languages to communicate with the computer. NLP helps the machine to understand the natural languages of humans.
It gives us an opportunity to speak to the machine in our language.
NLP works by breaking down a language into shorter elementary pieces to try to understand the relation between the pieces and explore how these pieces work together to create meaning. NLP. Examples of AI application based on natural language processing. Chatbot applications that interact with humans regularly are available all the time, which helps the customers to resolve their queries, thus improving the customer's experience. Translation tools such as Google Translate and Microsoft Translate are a big help as they can translate the local language for a tourist. Personal assistant applications such as Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa